Data and probability. Interpreting charts, statistics, and likelihoods. The TSI math section often includes questions that ask you to read data, understand statistics, and calculate probability. In this lesson, you'll learn how to interpret tables, graphs, and charts, as well as how to work with mean, median, mode, and range. You'll also explore basic probability concepts to determine the likelihood of events. These real-world math skills are essential for making informed decisions and answering data-based questions confidently. Reading charts and graphs. On the TSI, you'll be asked to interpret different types of data displays including bar graphs, used to compare categories. Pay attention to label on each axis, bar height or length, units and scales, line graphs, used to show trends over time. Watch for increases or decreases, sharp changes or patterns. Pie charts, show parts of a whole. Look for total percent equals 100%. Sector sizes, labels or categories and values. Tables, read each row column carefully. Expect to calculate totals, averages, both percentages. TSI tip. Questions may test your ability to draw conclusions directly from visuals, not just read values. Measures of central tendency. These are basic statistics concepts you must understand. Mean or average. Add all values. Divide by how many there are. Example: 4, 6, 8. To find the mean or average of 4, 6, and 8, add the numbers. Count how many numbers there are. Divide the sum by the number of values. The mean is 6. Median, the middle value when numbers are in order. Example: 3, 7, 9. To find the median of 3, 7, and 9, arrange the numbers in order. Identify the middle number. Since there are 3 numbers, the middle one is the second number. The median is 7. Mode, the most frequent value. Example: 1, 2, 2, 3. To find the mode of 1, 2, 2, and 3, list the numbers. Find the number that appears most often. 1 appears once, 2 appears twice, 3 appears once. The number with the highest frequency is 2. The mode is 2. Range, difference between highest and lowest values. Example: 10 minus 2. To solve 10 minus 2. Start with 10, subtract 2 from 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. The range is 8. TSI may give datasets and ask for one of these values. Always check that the numbers are sorted before finding the median. Probability basics. Probability measures the likelihood of an event. Formula: probability equals favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Probability is always a number between 0 and 1, or 0% to 100%. 0 equals impossible, 1 equals certain. Example: a bag has 2 red, 3 blue, and 1 green marble. What's the probability of drawing a blue? Find the total number of marbles. Find the number of blue marbles. Probability formula: substitute the values. Convert to percent. The probability of drawing a blue marble is 0.5 or 50%. Types of events. Independent events. One does not affect the other. Example: flipping a coin twice. Dependent events. One does affect the next. Example: picking cards without replacement. Most TSI questions focus on simple single-event probability. Interpreting data in word problems. Expect real-life scenarios like, a survey of 100 people shows 30 prefer tea. What percent is that? 30 divided by 100 equals 30%. A class average was 75, with 5 students scoring 80. What was the total for the other students? Use the mean formula to work backward. Break problems down slowly and plug values into formulas step by step. Data vocabulary to know. Here are some important terms to know. Frequency, meaning how often a value appears. Outlier, meaning a number much higher or lower than others. Trend, meaning general direction in data, up or down. Distribution, meaning Spread of values in a dataset. Recognizing trends or spotting outliers is often tested in graph and chart questions. Let's review what we've covered. In this lesson, you learned how to interpret and analyze data using graphs, charts, and basic statistics. The TSI tests your ability to find the mean, median, mode, and range of number sets, and to read bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs accurately. You also practiced basic probability concepts, like finding the chance of a certain event happening. Mastering these real-world math skills will help you confidently answer TSI questions that involve analyzing data or calculating probability.